All right, it's your boy KamsCorner. We're gonna put on the AliExpress SC Project exhaust. It came with the exhaust, baffle, whatever the hell this is, and the mid pipe. This is the one I currently have on. It is not stock. It is also from AliExpress. But as you can see, my girlfriend's foot was here and she kind of got her shoe melted on here instead of it being here. I'll put a video in the exhaust. They're all melted. Are you happy? What did we learn today? Don't put your shoes on the exhaust when you're at backpack. Show the bottom of your shoes again. Damn, dented in. Video now, so you can see exactly what happened. But this is the old one, and I got it welded. But now I don't need to get it welded because I kind of know what I'm doing. This was the same price, 50 bucks, 50 bucks. This is $25. This is separate. It's 25 bucks, but you do need that. So $75 Canadian, which is like $50 US. So you're saving yourself around $800 from the actual SC Project exhaust. So I'll let you know how it sounds. I'm gonna do a little montage of me putting it on. Let's go. Let's see how it starts. Cold start. I put it on. Let's see. It's 30. Everything's locked in. Straight piped. There's nothing in there. No baffle. Let's see how it sounds.
With the SC Project pipe, a fake one that he got from Ali.
No, this is the replica. This is not the real one.
That's real.
No.
That's fake too?
Yeah, but it sounds the same.
Holy shit.
Let's go. My air jumps feel like they're popped, but I don't even care.